When we look around the animal kingdom today, we can see some spectacular and strange species, no doubt. With some ranging from cute and cuddly, to others that are downright dangerous and deadly, they have captivated us for thousands of years. But have you ever wondered what the animals that have gone extinct were like in their times? Join us, as we look at 8 animals that the human race should be glad are extinct. The first animal on our list. The Deinosuchus. Deinosuchus is an extinct genus of alligatoroid crocodilian, related to modern alligators and caimans, that lived 82 to 73 million years ago, during the late Cretaceous period. Despite its large size, the overall appearance of Deinosuchus was not that different from that of modern crocodilians. It measured anywhere from 26 to a staggering 49 feet in length, with its skull being almost 6 feet long. As you could probably guess by its size, Deinosuchus preyed on anything it could get its jaws around. Up next, the Phobarames. The Phobarames is an extinct rodent that lived in the ancient Orinoco River Delta, around 8 million years ago. According to fossil records, it had a height of around 4.5 feet and could reach lengths of up to 9 feet. An examination of the skeleton suggests that it weighed anywhere from 900 to 1,540 pounds, and its hindquarters and rear legs were much larger and more powerful than its smaller forelimbs, much like a guinea pig. The Phobarames fed on plants and grasses, so having this one around in modern times might not be so bad. For our next entry, the Arctidus simus. Arctidus simus is an extinct genus of short-faced bear that inhabited North America during the Pleistocene era from 2.5 million years ago, until 12,800 years ago. Some individuals might have been the largest land-dwelling specimens of carnivora that ever lived in North America. Standing up on its hind legs, it stood 8 to 11 feet tall with a maximum vertical arm reach of 14 feet. When walking on all fours, it stood up to 6 feet high at the shoulder, with the largest males being tall enough to look an adult human in the eye. Their average weight ranged from 1,378 pounds, with a maximum recorded weight of 2,110 pounds. This one would have most definitely been a man-eater, if still around today. Next up, the Megalania. Megalania is an extinct species of giant monitor lizard, part of the megafaunal assemblage that inhabited Australia during the Pleistocene. It is the largest terrestrial lizard known to have existed, reaching an estimated length of 11.5 to 23 feet, and weighing between 214 to 4,277 pounds. This creature bears a striking resemblance to the Komodo dragon, and if you don't know about their ferocity, you should check out my video on them. The link will be in the description. For our next entry, the Argentavis. Argentavis is an extinct genus of pterotornithids known from 3 sites in the Epicuan and Andalhuala formations in central and northwestern Argentina, dating back to the late Miocene. Wingspan estimates varied widely, but ranged anywhere between 17 to 27 feet wide and stood at around 6 feet tall. It is believed that they ambushed small live prey, such as large rodents, small armadillos, and the young of large animals such as ground sloths. It is estimated that the species would have required about 11 pounds of meat each day just to survive. A bird this big would definitely have the capability of snatching up small children. Up next, Gigantopithecus. Gigantopithecus is an extinct genus of ape that lived in southern China from 2 million to approximately 300 to 200,000 years ago during the early to middle Pleistocene. It is estimated to have a total height of about 12 feet, and an approximate weight of 600 pounds, which is about 40% heavier than the average male gorilla. Though it is considered to have been a herbivore, consuming plants, such as fruits, leaves, and figs, the sheer size and strength of this species could have spelled trouble for modern man, if they were still around. Number 7 on our list. Meganeura. Meganeura is a genus of extinct insects from the late Carboniferous, approximately 300 million years ago. They resembled and are related to the present-day dragonflies and damselflies, and were predatory, with their diet mainly consisting of other insects. These creatures had a wingspan of around 3 feet and are of the largest known flying insect species. For our final entry. Phorusrhacidae. Phorusrhacids, colloquially known as terror birds, are an extinct family of large carnivorous flightless birds that were among the largest apex predators in South America during the Cenozoic era, from 53 to 1 million years ago. They ranged in height from 3 to 10 feet, and were extremely nimble and quick runners, able to reach speeds of 30 miles per hour. Their weight is estimated to be between 290 to 500 pounds, and the species was carnivorous, evident by its strong downwards curve from the tip of its beak. So, what did you think of our selections for this video? Are you glad that these creatures are extinct? Drop a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching.